Welcome back. In this video, we are tackling the next greater element 2 problem. This is a very popular coding interview question that introduces a circular twist to the classic stack-based problem. Here is the core problem. We are given a circular integer array. For every element in this array, we need to find its next greater number. This means we are looking for the first number to the right that is strictly larger than the current one. If no such number exists, we must return -1. The key detail here is that the array is circular. This means the last element is conceptually connected back to the first element. So, if we search for a greater element and reach the end of the array, we simply wrap around and continue searching from the beginning. Let's look at a simple example with the array 1, 2, 1. For the first element, 1, the next number is 2, which is greater, so the answer is 2. For the second element, 2, we wrap around to the start but find no number greater than 2, so the answer is -1. Finally, for the last one, we wrap around to the start and find 2, so the answer is 2. A naive brute force solution would use nested loops, checking every other element for each index. This results in O of n squared time complexity, which is inefficient. The optimized approach uses a monotonic stack, allowing us to solve the problem in linear time, or O of n. To handle the circular nature without complex logic, we can use a virtual concatenation trick. We simply imagine two copies of the array joined together. We iterate up to 2 times n, and use the modulo operator to map our loop index back to the original array indices. The algorithm works like this. First, we initialize an empty stack to store indices and a result array filled with -1s. We then loop from 0 to 2 times n-1. Inside the loop, while the stack is not empty and the current number is greater than the number at the stack's top index, we pop from the stack and record the answer. Finally, we push the current index onto the stack. Let's visualize a snapshot of this process. Suppose we are at index 1 with the value 2. The stack contains index 0, which points to value 1. Since 2 is greater than 1, we pop index 0 from the stack and update the result for index 0 to be 2. This stack mechanism efficiently resolves the next greater query. Here is the logic in Python like pseudocode. We define the stack and result array. We loop through the range 2 times, and we access elements using I modulo n. The while loop maintains the monotonic decreasing property of the stack, resolving answers as soon as a greater element is found. The time complexity is linear, O of n, because each element is pushed onto the stack and popped at most once, even with the circular simulation. The space complexity is also O of n to store the stack and the result array. This is the most optimal solution for this problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.